Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to turn off your PlayStation 4 controller. And the first way is probably the easiest. So if you locate the PlayStation button and you hold this down, for about 5 to 10 seconds, you'll know the light on the light bar will turn off. So this should turn off in about 2 or 3 seconds right now. And my PlayStation 4 controller did indeed turn off. Now you can actually do it on the PlayStation menu here. So let's log into one of my accounts, then press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu here by holding it down, then go up to the top to sound and devices, go to right, and locate where it says turn off device right here. So I'm using this controller. If I press X on turn off device, my PlayStation 4 controller will be listed there, and it is now currently turned off. Now the next way that you can turn this off is simply putting your PlayStation 4 into the rest mode or completely turning it off. So let's go to power, into rest mode, and my PS4 controller just turned off. So that's 3 different ways you can turn off your controller. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.